This is Dr. Z speaking to you from the year 20.23. This is Q-Shaft Broadcast 21. This Q-Shaft is designed to help those who are trying to understand the grid. If you are not familiar with the grid and you have an interest in it, see the previous Q-Shafts. An interesting question is, when a stream of light is generated, does it accelerate continuously from a speed of 0 to the speed of light, or is its speed instantaneously the speed of light? As most of you know, a stream of light instantaneously reaches the speed of light. There is no acceleration. There are many ways to explain this apparent phenomenon. One is that a photon is a massless particle, and thus it does not relate to macro-world acceleration conditions. Another way to explain it is that light is propagated as a wave which travels only at the speed of light. A better way to explain it is by using the properties of the grid. As explained in an earlier Q-Shaft, electromagnetic waves are propagated from one grid section to another. The characteristics of adjoining grid sections are exchanged at a constant rate with its neighbor when an electromagnetic wave is encountered. This rate of exchange is what we determine to be the speed of light. Thus, the initial speed of light at the moment of light's creation is the same speed that it has at its constant rate. There cannot be any acceleration to the speed of light in the grid. Recall that most other elements in the universe that move through the grid are conglomerations of grid sections. These conglomerations behave in the ways of Galileo, Newton, and the macro Einstein. The conglomerations do not exchange characteristics of individual grid sections, but sections are transposed while moving through the grid. You will soon realize that this is a fairly easy concept to understand. It will help you find solutions to other problems you are having. Unfortunately, in my time, energy is still losing its power ratio. Finding a cause of this is proving to be extremely difficult.